In the last lecture, we made our drawer work, but on Android, it's not looking that great. That's why I already imported a style sheet in my site drawer component. I want to create my styles constant here and use the style sheet to create my JavaScript object with styles I can use here. I want to create a container property there which holds the styles for this site drawer. Now the idea here is to add a margin to the top, maybe 22 pixels, without pixels, just 22. Maybe a background color of white so that we don't have this transparent drawer we currently have on Android. And with that, let's save this and assign it here. Now one trick, if you want to combine multiple styles, you can pass an array to style. The first one can then be styles container, for example. The second is your custom JavaScript object, which I didn't put into my styles here so that it dynamically recalculates the width in case we rotate the device. And with that, we got the styles set up for the drawer. Now, if we reload the Android app and we log in again, we see a site drawer here. It's very tiny though. We can conveniently fix this by simply adding flex1 to the container so that it takes the full available space. With that, if we now reload the app, log in again and try this again, now we got a drawer. Though the problem is with margin top, the whole drawer is pushed down. So the better solution might be to use padding top. So now with that, finally, let's log in and open that drawer. And now we got a nice looking site drawer on Android 2. Now we'll work on the styling of this item and make it more useful in the future. In general, we'll improve the usefulness of this application and work a lot on the styling. But the navigation got pretty far. We got a nice navigation in place. We got tabs, we got drawer. We can add an item and then go onto the detail page of the item. But one thing that's missing is we can't open the drawer from our other page. Now, as I told you, you have to implement this drawer toggle functionality on every page. So simply copy the constructor and the onNavigator event code from the share place page and go to find place and simply add it at the top there. With that, we can save this and now reload this application. And now the drawer should work both on find place and share place. And of course, it should also still work on iOS. So here it's on find place and here it's on share place. So that's all looking nice. Let's see what else we can do with navigation.